Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to perform an oil change on your Ford Edge. Regular maintenance, like changing your engine oil, is vital for keeping your vehicle running smoothly and extending its lifespan. We'll cover everything from gathering your supplies to safely draining the old oil and adding fresh lubricant. This guide will help you confidently tackle this important maintenance task at home, saving you time and money. Before we begin, let's ensure you have all the necessary tools and materials. You'll need a new oil filter specific to your Ford Edge engine and about 5 to 6 quarts of the manufacturer-recommended synthetic blend or full synthetic oil, typically 5W20 or 5W30. Also, grab a drain pan, a funnel, a 15mm socket, a ratchet, and a filter wrench. Safety equipment like a jack stands, and wheel chocks are also essential. With your vehicle safely elevated on jack stands and wheels chocked, it's time to drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Using your 15mm socket, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is removed. Once the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter and install the new one, hand tightening it until snug. Reinstall the drain plug, ensuring it's tight but not over-tightened. Now, using a funnel, add approximately 5 to 6 quarts of your new engine oil through the oil fill cap. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off and check the dipstick. Top off if necessary, and always check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.